In part one of making the calla lily, we're going to start by making the stem. The calla lily has a thicker stem, and so to start with, we're going to take our 16 gauge wire, and we're going to take 3 pieces that are about 4 inches long. And we're going to take our florist tape. Now, florist tape is self-sticking, and so you just start and fold over the top. So pinch it to itself. Oops, came off. And actually I'm going to work the other way. You'll find which way works comfortable with you. I pinch it and stick it and then stretch it a little. And as I stretch, I'm going to roll and bring it down the length of the stem. I'm keeping this taut and I'm twisting and rolling. Now when I get to the end, I'm going to give myself a little leader strip here, and I'm going to flip it upside down, and I'm going to go back down the other way. Just wrapping and rolling nice and tight. And that's created a thick stem for us. We just tear it off, and that's what we've created here, stem. So this next part is we've got some yellow gum paste that we've colored, and it's about the size of a large grape. We're going to roll that into a little sausage that's about 1.5 inches long. I've got my egg white off to the side here, and I'm going to take my stem that I just made and dip it in, and I'm going to insert that right up the center of that center, this yellow center. I can feel it going up about 2/3 of the way in and smoothing it out. I like to taper the tip just a little bit. And then I cover the whole center with the egg white, and I use kosher salt. And I roll this in some kosher salt to give it an authentic look, more realistic look from nature. And this concludes part one of making our calla lily.